Good morning. So today here we are with the third video on slope deflection method, and this particular video we are going to solve one numerical. That particular numerical is with respect to continuous beam by using slope deflection method. So as you can see in the given numerical, the question is analyze the continuous beam as shown in the figure by slope deflection method and draw SFD and BMD. So whenever we are given with these numerical, right, now usually whenever we are solving this kind of numerical, they will be asked for 10 number of marks. So particularly in this subject there are no theory questions, they usually don't ask, only in unit number 6 they will be asking. So coming to this slope deflection method, so they have given you the span. If you see, it's a continuous beam. A is fixed support, B is simple, C is simple, and D is once again fixed support, right? It carries a point load of 50 kilonewton, right, at equal distance of 2 meter to the left and 2 meter to the right. And BC span, there is having an UDL which is 15 kilonewton per meter, right? And in span CD, this is 2 meter to the left, that is 80 kilonewton load, point load, and to the 4 meter. So whenever this type of questions are given, so the first step, now whenever you are finding solution for this kind of subject, the first step will be always to find the kinematic indeterminacy. The kinematic indeterminacy, you know that it is nothing but number of non-zero displacement or rotations, right? So here if you see, there is rotation at B and there is rotation at C, so that is 2, right? So if you want, here I can write it as theta B and theta C. These are the two unknowns which I need to find. Now coming to next part, second step is nothing but finding out fixed end moment. Now when I am talking about fixed end moment, right, for each span I need to find out. So if I talk for MFAB, now what is the formula? You know that it is a point load, right, and it is at a distance, it is at midpoint, so this will be minus WL upon 8. So how this minus came, I will show here, right? So I am fixing here both A and B, right? This is A, this is B, right, and this is a point load, this is 2 meter and this is 2 meter, right? MFAB I am talking means it will be like this, and MFBA if I am talking, it is like this. So by sign convention, anti-clockwise is minus and clockwise is positive. So here this comes out to be minus WL by 8. So W is nothing but minus 50 into L is 4 upon 8, right? So this turns out to be what? 25 kilonewton meter. So first value is minus 25 kilonewton meter, right? Now similarly for MFBA, if I am calculating MFBA, so this will be plus WL upon 8, so this will be plus 50 into 4 upon 8, so this comes out to be 25 kilonewton meter. Now this is the second part. Now coming to for the span BC, as you see, for a BC span there is an UDL with a distance of 5 meter. So when I am talking about MFBC, the formula here will be minus WL square upon 12. So this is minus 15 into L is 5 square upon 12. If you calculate this will comes out to be 31.25 kilonewton meter. And similarly MFCB, when you are calculating, so this will be plus WL square upon 12. So this will be plus 15 into 5 square upon 12, right? So if you see here, this will be same plus 15 into 5 square upon 12. So this turns out to be plus 31.25, right, kilonewton meter. Now this is MFCB. Now similarly when I come to MFCD, right, so here the formula will be minus W AB square upon L square. So W is minus 80, A is 2, B is 4 square upon L is 6 square. And when you calculate for this particular value, it comes out to be, so 80 into 2 into 4 square, so it turns out to be minus 71.11 kilonewton meter. And similarly MFDC, so this will be plus WA square B upon L square. So this is 80 into 2 square into 4 upon L is 6 square. So this turns out to be how much? 35.56. So this is 35.56 kilonewton meter, right? Now this is second step. Now the third step is formulating of slope deflection equations. Now as in the previous videos I have shown how to write the equations. So MAB if I am writing, so this will be 2EI upon L, right? And 2 theta A plus theta B, right, minus 3 delta upon L, right, plus MF AB. Now here you need to find by observations. I can tell you directly theta A is equal to 0 and delta is also 0 as there is no sinking given, right? So directly you can put the values, right? So if I put the values, MAB, this will be equal to 2EI. Now L, if you see, this is 4, right, into here 0 plus theta B minus 0, right? MFAB you got it as minus 25. And if I write this equation in simplified form, so this turns out to be, right, 2 by 4, this will be 0.5. So if I talking about MFAB, this will be 0.5 EI theta B minus 25. This is my first equation. Now similarly when I am calculating for MBA, so this will be the same, right? So this will be 2 EI upon L and into 2 theta B plus theta A minus 3 delta upon L, and this will be MFBA. Now when you substitute the value here, once again you know that theta A as well as theta A will be 0 and delta will also be equal to 0. And if you equate this, so this turns out to be EI theta B and then plus 25, right? So this will be my equation number 2, MFBA. MBA is equal to. Now once MBA is done, so my next step will be for MBC. Now MBC if we are doing, so the formula and all will be the same, 2EI by L into 2 theta B plus theta C, right, minus 3 delta upon L and then plus MFBC. Now this after calculation, now if you calculate this, this turns out to be 0.8 EI theta B, right, plus 0.4 EI theta C minus 31.25. So this turns out to be equation number 3, right? So up to this we have formulated 2 equation. Once again this is nothing but your MBC. Now next I need to formulate for the next step. So after MBC, now if I take here MBC, if I want to calculate CB, now formula will be 2 EI by L, right, into 2 theta C plus theta B minus 3 delta by L and then it will be plus MFCB, right? So once you substitute the values, right, once you substitute and if you solve it, so you will be getting MCB will be what? 0.8 EI theta C, right, plus 0.4 EI theta B plus 31.25. say suppose this is equation number 4. Now after MCB you have done, right, then you need to go for MCD. Now MCD, if I am doing once again the same equation, 2EI by L, right, so here it will be 2 theta C plus theta D minus 3 delta upon L, right, and plus MFCD. Now once you solve this MCD, this will come to 0.667 EI theta C and minus 71.11, right, this is equation number 5. Now coming to last one, MDC. Now MDC, once again this will be same, 2 EI by L, here it will be 2 theta D plus theta C minus 3 delta upon L, and this will be plus MFDC. And when I solve this, this comes out to be 0.33 EI theta C plus 35.56. this is equation number 6, right. Now once all these equations are done, now next step will be what? Now this is first step was what? First step was with respect to kinematic inertancy, second fixed end moment, then slope deflection equation. So my fourth step, this will be equilibrium conditions. Now how to apply the equilibrium conditions? So if I look at the conditions, here you can see B and C are the intermediate support, and there is no other end support wherein which there is either roller or hinge or simple. So coming to this, at B, the equilibrium conditions when I am doing, so I can write the first step at B, MBA plus MBC, so this is equal to 0. This I will be showing this as equation number 7. And second, at C, I can write MCB plus MCD, this is equal to 0, and this is equation number 8. Now once these equations are formed, what you need to do, you need to add these two, you need to formulate this equation number 7 and 8. So with respect to 1, now by 1 if I am doing, so so this turns out to be what? How to formulate that? So this will be EI theta B plus 25 plus 0.8 EI theta B plus 0.4 EI theta C minus 31.25. This is equal to 0, right? Now equate after solving this, this will be 1.8 EI theta B plus 0.4 EI theta C. This is equal to 6.25, right? So I will be saying this as 9. Now similarly, by 2 if I am solving, that is MCB plus MCD is equal to 0. So this will be 0.8 EI theta C plus 0.4 EI theta B plus 31.25 plus 0.667 EI theta C, right, and minus 71.11, this is equal to 0, right. And then so by solving this, this will be 0.4 EI theta B plus 1.467 EI theta C, this is equal to 39.86. so this is equation number 10. Now once these two equations are formulated, now by solving 9 and 10 equation, these are the simultaneous equation. So if you solve this, you will be getting theta B, this is equal to minus 2.73 upon EI, and theta C, this is equal to plus 27.91 upon EI, right. These are the two values which are important. Now once you have got these particular values, once you have got these values, you can easily substitute these particular values, right? You can substitute the values in order to find out the above values. So above values in the sense the final moments. So what I can do, directly I can substitute in MAB, right? So when I am substituting for MAB, so this will be 0.5 EI. Here it was theta B, means this is minus 2.73 upon EI and minus 25. So this, once you solve, this comes out to be minus 26.36 kilonewton meter. Now similarly for MBA, if you are solving, so this will be, you will be getting 22.27 kilonewton meter. And similarly MBC, if you are solving MBC, you will be getting minus 22.27, right? After MBC, MCB, if you are solving, you will be getting 52.48 kilonewton meter, right? And then MCD, you will be getting minus 52.48 kilonewton meter. And similarly MDC, you will be getting 44.85, right? Now these equations, whatever MAB, MBA and all, these are all by substituting these values theta B and theta C in the above equation. Above equations in the sense, this whatever I have formulated, MBA is equal to MAB is this value, theta B I have put here, and in AB I have put theta B here. For BC, theta B and theta C I have substituted. And similarly when you are solving, you will be getting all these values in equation 4, 5 and 6. After substituting, you have got these particular values. Now once I have done with the final moments, I can easily draw the bending moment diagram. So for bending moment diagram, so if I want to draw the bending moment diagram, so directly I will be taking the loading diagrams here. So what I will do, I will just copy paste this other thing. So before that I will just rub this. Right. So if you see the loading diagram, now with respect to that I am drawing the bending moment diagram. So first there is a point load here. So with respect to that point load, so I will come here to this particular diagram, right? So if I come to this value, 1 second. So here there is a point load, here there is a UDL, and here there is a point load, right? So what I will be getting, one second. Right, now coming to here whenever I am drawing, so here you will be getting one triangle, right? And here you will be having a parabola, and here also you are having a triangle. These triangles are with respect to the point load, and then this parabola is with respect to the UDL which is given, right? Now coming to the values of this, right? So if you look into the diagram, so here you need to calculate by the formula, right? If the formula is there, means this will be WL by 4, and if you calculate, this will be 50, and this is WAB by L, and if you calculate this you will be getting 106.67, right? And here if you getting, this will be WL square by 8, and if you calculate this comes out to be 46.9. and to these values I need to add the values. So this is my A, this is my B, this is C, and this is D. For A I have got it as 26.36, and for B I have got it as 22.24. For C I got it as 52.48, and at D I got it as 44.8. So I need to just draw these points here. And this is value, and after this, whatever the diagram it is below the actual bending moment diagram is there, so this will be minus, and if it is above means this will be plus. Once again here this both will be minus, this will be plus, this is minus, 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 and here it will be plus, right? So this is with respect to your bending moment diagram. Now next is your shear force diagram. So whenever I need to find the shear force diagram, I need to have the moments here. So first I will just draw the loading diagrams, which actually is so that it will be easy for you. So what I am doing, I am just drawing the diagram as it is. So this is the 50 kilonewton which is load given. This is 2 meter, this is 2 meter, this is UDL, this is 15 kilonewton meter, this is 5 meter, this is a point load which is having 80 kilonewton, and here this is 2 meter and this is 4 meter. Now once this 4 meter is done, right, 1 second. Now this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Now what I need to do, I need to split this particular spans so that to find the shear force diagram. So this AB I am separating it out. This is a UD, this is a loading diagram. So this I will be saying it as this as B dash, right, and this is A, and here I am having a point load. This is a 50 kilonewton, right, and this is 2 meter and this is 2 meter. This is 2 meter, and with respect to that, when I am calculating, so how to write the values? Now I am taking moment at A is equal to 0. When I am telling that moment at A is equal to 0, I need to calculate RB dash. So here my same forces will be the same. So this will be minus RB dash. So this is reaction at B if I am taking. So RB dash, as why I have taken minus, it is anti-clockwise, into 4, right, and then plus 50 into 2. So this will be equal to 0. And similarly, now if I calculate here my RB dash 100 upon 4 means this will be 25 kilonewton. So once this is 25 kilonewton, then my RA will also be equal to 25 kilonewton, right? So once this is done, I am taking to the other span. So here I am taking this as B double dash, and here I am taking this as C, and here I am giving a UDL. This UDL is 15 kilonewton per meter, and then this is 5 meter, and then I am taking once again moment at B double dash is equal to 0, right? So for this will be minus RC into 5, right, plus 15 into 5 into 2.5 or 5 by 2. Now for this equation RC, now whenever I need to calculate this particular RC, I need to equate to the other side, and then that entire value, right, and that entire value divided by this.